Good morning, Craig. All right, here you go. It's actually not just a 596, it's a 596 and 636 combined. That's okay. It's going to work just fine no matter what we do here. Okay, testing and adjustment have gone well, no leaks. Everything's nice and dry. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Like downtown, only without all the tall buildings. Alright. Take a look, see. Okay. No drips. These floats set right. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and look at some numbers. Let's pull it through a couple times. We'll look at some numbers. Alright, my fuel pressure is about 2.75. Idle RPM is about 660. I like between 650 and 700. And there's your vacuum at 23. Looking pretty good. Alright, we'll pull it through a couple more times for you. I think you'll be happy with it.